What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing the Snore Monkey. Now, obviously, the Snore Monkey is not in normal Bloons Tower Defense, but oh, there goes Discord notification. But he is part of a mod that I installed, the Snore Monkey mod. Um, but yeah, he's actually really cool. I think he gets pretty good later. Yes, like Snore Machine Gun and like all sorts of stuff. He's pretty cool, but at the beginning he's not like the best. Like he's pretty good, but he's not like super insane. So I don't know how well he's going to do up until we get to like the super good stuff, like tier 4 and 5. But yeah, if you guys enjoy, leave a like and subscribe. This will be, I don't know. I have a lot of other videos planned for this that I think you guys will enjoy. Like if you go down here, you get a little sneak peek at oh, I don't know what that is, but I don't know how that's a tower, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, yeah, that's a little sneak peek of something that I may have planned to do pretty soon. But yeah, we're just gonna see how powerful this guy can get. Now, I don't know. I don't remember his lead popping abilities. Oh, okay, there's your lead popping ability. So he can pop leads. I don't know about camos. We will have to see about that. I hope he can do camos. If not, we're gonna have to yet again do like a Ninja Monkey or Monkey Village with him. But it's not the super big deal if we end up having to do that because I mean, well, it's like I don't know. It's just part of the one tower only challenge, I guess. And obviously there's banana farms, but we'll be doing those a little bit later. But yeah, I think the double see deals a lot more damage but sacrifices pierce. I don't understand how you can do more damage. Like, isn't damage to consider pierce to balloons because you're popping more layers? Um, I'm not exactly sure, but we'll see. The double snore definitely what I'm going to be going for though. I don't know. It just looks good, and that's like the snore machine gun path. The snore machine gunner is pretty cool. Um, Yeah, next, I think I'm gonna do a video about like a bunch of tier 5 towers and the paragons, and maybe I'll do a video about how many paragons. I don't know how many paragons can we like possibly. Oh, I should probably speed this up a bit. How many paragons can we possibly? Okay, so there. Yep, no camo detection. How many paragons can we like? How far can like paragons hold out? I guess. So we're gonna do an Ninja Monkey just for the camos. Like again, you guys know I don't really like doing this, but it's kind of important um, to not die to camo balloons. And I mean, yeah, he's helping like a pretty decent amount, but the Snore Monkey is still doing the bulk of the damage. And it's not really Snore Monkey only anyway. It's really just to see how powerful he gets. And once we can afford a Monkey Village, I think it will be a little bit better. Yeah, see, there's the minion man. There's the Monkey Village. Wow. What? I must have installed a mod for that on accident, but it's okay. There we go. Radar scanner. Now we can sell you. Now he should be able to pop everything now. Um, let's slow this down. Let's get another Snore Monkey. Oh yeah, here's some Kingdom Rush towers. Maybe I'll do a video on those. They don't seem to be all that good, but Kingdom Rush is one of my favorite games, or at least favorite tower defense games of all time. So, oh boy. Okay. I did the wrong path there because I was freaking out, but oh, there's the camo. Okay. Well, we'll see. Whatever. It is what it is. Speed it up a bit. Oh no, it's you I want to upgrade actually. All right, so we're not gonna be able to get the Storm Machine Gun on hard. Like that's always how it is. I mean, actually, let's do it. Let's start monopolizing now, and we will do it on hard today instead of impoppable. Because I gotta make a little bit shorter of a video today because I'm kind of pressed for time. I gotta go to dinner after this. So let's get a Robo Farmer. He can chill out over there. He supposedly can't reach over there, but that's whatever. Um, I think he actually can. Let's get these guys upgraded. There we go. There we go. Just get a couple of them up to plantations. And then we'll save up for the research facility. Yeah, they seem to be doing pretty good, but I am slightly worried about what happens when a BFB comes along. Um, yeah, that guy's range is so much better. Okay, research facility. There we go. And we need to do that. We'll do that. Okay, BFB is next round. Let's get another Snore Monkey over here. And we'll get the triple snores. There we go. All right, here goes. See how this goes. Okay, I'm really glad that guy was there. I think we would have been fine either way, but I'm not 100% sure. So, but yeah, okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're barely good. I need to get some more poppage down, don't I? Let's get. Wow, that monkey village range is like incredibly huge. That's actually insane. But I guess that's how it goes. Let's get this. Like I think this is one of the best paths, or like just the best path for them to go down. Um, yeah, we'll see. Oh, and I still have like the multi-upgrade tier tree thing going, so that's why I can get like more than like that's why this path is open on the banana farms. It doesn't work for the snore monkeys since they're not like a base game monkey, but that's why, if you guys were wondering. Once I get one, uh, okay, I don't know if there's enough rounds to get the money to get the snore machine gun before round 80. What I may end up doing, oh, is dying. Uh, yep, that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Well, that was unexpected. Um, okay, let's continue because we're just gonna get back to here anyway, and let's put some monkeys here. Let's see if this is any better. Let's do this one. I don't even know what that one does. Oh, more deadly, whatever. Okay, let's see if that helps at all. Science experiment. Okay. Well, that did it, but whatever. We'll see how this goes. I really just want to see them go into free play, see how crazy they can get. They just don't have the best Pierce, or like in the best AOE. Really, that's kind of one of their problems. Um, wow. Ouch. Yeah, they're like that guy got really far before anything happened. All right, let's see how this goes. Hopefully it goes good. I'd like it to go good. That's a lot of BFBs. Wow. Let's continue. We'll redo that round. I just so hard. You guys know how it is if you play this game. It's so hard to like spend the money that you need to keep your towers like ready to go. Um, but at the same time, like save up. Like it's just even though you know you need to do it to like survive the round, you just don't want to spend the money. So yeah, see, just even those get, like three more monkeys, which realistically overall towards the total that I'm saving up for isn't even that much. But uh, but yeah, I think this guy will be the best for this Snore machine gun. Yeah. All right, there we go. Wow, that he is really strong. That's kind of ridiculous. Okay. Um, yeah, well now you guys know why he's so good. Yikes, that is crazy. Let's do all seeing snore after this. Oh, that was closer. All right. I wonder if they have a paragon. Do they have a paragon? Oh, they do have a paragon. Son of the snore god. Oh, that's game over. Whoops. Uh, let's throw some guys here. I don't know why I can make multiple machine gunners. But I don't know. I guess that just is how it is. All right, let's see if this happens again. Uh, oh, it almost did. What's the bottom path? Oh yeah, the ray of snoring doom. Interesting. Get one of these central bananas. Wow. Okay. Well, that's that. They're not very good by themselves. We figured that out. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go to free play. And go back to here. Here, sandbox. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how powerful this Paragon monkey is. Let's see. Here he is. Let's put him a little bit more central. And then these guys we can level up. All right. Obviously, he's not a very high tier Paragon, tier 1, but you can see the whole map. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's just do that. Okay, so he has a lot more trouble with the ceramics than he does with the bads. Let's send constant. Okay. Wow. Can you wait? Actually, wait. That's a good thing to try. Can you die in free play mode? Let's see. My lives are going down. Okay. My game is lagging like crazy now. Is that enough? Oh, no, you just get 0 lives. And then he stops shooting. So you can kind of. Oh, oh, the lives came back. Interesting. Ah, okay. Well, anyway, that was that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Shorter one today, but I'm going to try to record another video, so that's why. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.